Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky Asia, and for today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Today I picked up the Sony ZV-1F camera, and I actually had got the last one that they had today, so I feel like it was a sign because, to be honest, I was going to go tomorrow, and if they didn't have it there, I was probably just going to go to the store in Austin. But yeah, I got the last one. I already ordered me a case for this and a SIM card and a screen protector. I think the only thing I need to buy is a tripod, but even when I was like filming on my phone and stuff like that, I didn't even have a tripod. Okay, so it comes with the instructions, which I'll probably end up having to look at later when it comes to the settings. I heard that, like, I was watching videos and stuff, and everyone was saying that it has like a blur effect, and I thought that's what the camera did, but I found out it can come off. So then I was like, okay, well then that's kind of cool then, because if I'm like breaking out real bad, then I can just blur my face out. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open it, y'all. Sorry, I don't have like the best view, but you get it. This is the camera charger, I'm assuming, or like USB. I don't know what this is, y'all. This little pouch came in there. I literally can't even, actually, okay, maybe I could have, never mind. I thought maybe this was like something to wipe the camera off, but I think this is the mic piece. So that's what was that. All right, and then now let's look at the camera, because this is what you've been waiting for. Here we go, y'all. Voila. Okay, cute. One thing I actually do like is when I was in the store looking at the Canon one, the camera's on top. But this one, like, is on the side. And then, like, I like that it's just, like, flippable. And, I don't know, it's just kind of cool. Alright, so now I'm going to turn it on. Okay. I'm going to turn it on. It looks so cute, y'all. I cannot wait to get my case and stuff tomorrow and show you guys. This is where the mic goes. Oh, wait, I figured it out. Okay, I got it on. It looks, I don't know, I feel like actually it kind of looks a little bit more cute with it. And then let's turn it on. Wait, why isn't it turning it on? It's not turning on. Bruh, I didn't even put the battery in. Okay, y'all. And I already have a camera, so I don't, oh, but it's not the same as this one. But I don't know, I knew something wasn't right. I was like, why isn't the camera turning on? I bought an SD card and stuff, but they won't be here till tomorrow. Now that we got that in, now let's try it. I feel like I'm getting, my hands sweat so easily. This is exactly why I bought a case. There we go, y'all. It's on, y'all. Okay, so English, I understand. We're not going to connect anything. Okay, it's definitely on like that smooth effect right now, and it still looks good. And when I was at the store, I recorded me with the camera they had to see, so I wasn't like tripping. And I feel like they're pretty much giving like the same effect. Love, I'm happy that it came with this too. I don't like that it doesn't have like a little connector. You just have to be very careful then, I guess. That's pretty much what comes with it. My total was $540 for this camera. I actually have the receipt in my pocket. There we go. So it was like $541 for the camera. Once I figure out the settings, I'm gonna record with the soft effect, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks without the soft effect once I figure it out. Okay guys, so I was right. It did not let me record until I added a SIM card, like a SD card. So I just took the SD card from my camera that I use to take like professional pictures basically only, because I had bought that one as a YouTube camera, but you know. Hey, hi. What's up, boy? Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how what I was talking about when I said like it kind of like smooths. Oh my god, he keeps jumping on my lap. It kind of like smooths out your face. And then this is like I said, it literally like you can zoom. I feel like the zoom option would be good for makeup videos because I do like to do makeup videos. But yes. Okay, and then I think this is the wide one, but y'all see it's giving. I just also need to learn. I need to stop looking at myself and I just need to look at the camera because that's what you're supposed to do. Hey guys, and then this is the camera with the soft effect off. I feel like you can like actually really see everything. But oh, hi Jasper. You see the camera? But most importantly, I just wanted to turn it off so I feel like everything just looks really nice and clear. Hey, buddy. It's looking real good.
First auto ship order.
Jasper.
Right to your door. Download the Chewy app.
What are you doing? Today's the day. But this is how the charger looks. Way different from my Canyon charger, which was this one, and I don't know why on earth I thought I could use my Canyon charger. They're completely different batteries, y'all. Okay, getting my camera, and if my camera don't turn on after I charge it, then my camera's probably just broke, and that's great. Okay, so the batteries are definitely different, but I just really want to see like if my camera's gonna turn on. All right, y'all, let's see if my camera turn on. It already did. Okay, y'all, so also I think I don't know how I got my shit in slow-mo, but I think my camera is in slow-mo. Girl, you know why. Girl, you know why. But I need to send the film that I made on this SD card to my phone, and then I'm going to insert the new SD card that I bought specifically for this camera for vlogging. That's literally everything. Honestly, I be having second doubts about the mic. Like, I don't know how I feel about the mic. Okay guys, but that is gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about any of the accessories I got for my camera, let me know and I'll gladly send you the link. Make sure you guys check out my other videos, and bye.